Hey there, Timinator Toolman back at you. Today I have a comparison video on some of the tool pouches from Toughbuilt, and these are great options, so I wanted to show them to you. If you're trying to make an informed decision on what to buy for whatever job you have or whatever career you have, so I hope this video will help you out. So I have a bunch of Toughbuilt pouches here, and I'll kind of run through them. So this is the Toughbuilt service pouch, the Toughbuilt service pouch. It is TBCT 106A, TBCT 106A, and it runs around $61 where I've seen it different places. You can kind of do some like Acme Tools and a couple other places I've seen it on. And this one again runs about $61.99 roughly. It's the last price I saw it at. It weighs 2.61 pounds empty. It has 20 pockets and loops, and it's a really nice pouch. It does come with the shoulder strap and the hub on the back you can put on your belt, which is pretty nice. And then it has the kickstand, and you flip out in the back and you stand it up like that. One thing I did notice about this is if you're a HVAC guy and you have a set of these stubby gauges, I did notice that these actually fit down in there, so you can put your blue gauge or one of your gauges down here, another gauge in here. In the bottom of this pouch there's you can see that there's a webbing down there, kind of holds it open, so this actually fits down there really nice, keeps it safe. And I use these check-in AC units. I like the stubby gauges, so I did notice that was a difference, because I don't think these fit in any of the other pouches. So if you're an HVAC guy, this service pouch would be really good for you. And then also the meter, I have a Field Piece SC420, the little older pouch, a little older meter, and it fits down there real nice, which I was really surprised that that stuff fit in there, especially these gauges. So like again, this pouch has, like I said, 20 pockets and loops, and a really nice option if you're going for that. And then next I have the Toughbuilt Electrician's pouch. This one does not have the kickstand or the belt clip on the back. It does not have that, but it does have a nice padded shoulder strap. Now this pouch has 20 pockets and loops as well. It does have a tape measure clip on the front, a webbed strap for your electrical tape, and it also has a hammer loop that is actually steel, so it's pretty nice. And this one weighs about 2.33 pounds, and the item number on this one is TB314-2. TB314-2. So this pouch here, this is the Contractor pouch, or some call it a framing pouch. I believe there's a new version of this out, and this one, the new version, is TBCT022BES, and Contractor pouch, otherwise known as the framer pouch, is very basic. It's got about 5 pockets, and you could use this as an electrician's pouch if you wanted to. I took my Vito MB2 or Vito MP2, and the strap had broke off, so I cut it in there. I did a video on this. No way! I'll try to attach it to there, but it's very basic. It does have the clip tech hub on the back. You do get a belt clip with this, and then it also has the kickstand, which is pretty nice. So, and then that one usually runs about 40 bucks. I've seen it in different places. It's fairly reasonable, and it weighs about 2.31 pounds. So this is the Journeyman's Electrician's pouch. This is the TBCT 114. This one has 21 pockets and loops. It weighs 2.26 pounds empty, and I've seen it on eBay recently at $74.80, and I've seen it a couple other places. I've seen it as low as $35, but it just kind of depends. It does have the kickstand on the back, and then you also get the belt loop in the back with it, so it's pretty nice. Got a tape measure holder here, a chain tape holder, and it comes with a shoulder strap as well. So just a very nice pouch. This is the Toughbuilt utility pouch, and this is one of the smallest ones that they have. You do get the clip tech system on the back. What's nice about this one, you also get the little belt loop that goes on it too as well. I've got a magnet on this one, so I can put it up on a cabinet if I wanted to. But you know, all these lock in, and then so you always get these with it. And this utility pouch is TB-30. It weighs only 0.33 pounds, and it has 6 pockets and loops. So it's pretty nice if you want to do just have a grab and go little pouch, and a couple different couple screwdrivers, a couple pairs of pliers and stuff and like that, and go do basic stuff. This is a great little pouch. It does have a little tape measure holder on the front, and again, 6 pockets and loops. This pouch right here is actually considered the project pouch, and that's all I've seen it on. This is again one of my original ones that I have. It does not have the kickstand on the back. It does have a metal hammer loop. I also call it like the basic contractor's pouch. And this one here is TBCT-24. TBCT-24. Does not have the kickstand on the back, and it does come with the clip tech and the belt loop, belt clip, 5 pockets and loops. There's a loop right here and 2 loops on the side, the big one in the middle, and you can put stuff actually behind here as well. It does have a tape measure holder on the front. Very basic pouch, and this one only weighs about 1.10 pounds empty. And I've seen this one as little as like $11 or $12 in some places. Again, I've had this one for quite a while. So, and then this one here, I got brand new. Toughbuilt did actually send me this one, so I'll mark it a paid promotion anyway. This is the Toughbuilt 7-inch utility pouch, and it's basically it does not have the clip tech system on it. It does have this Velcro strap that you can actually stick this in your pocket, in your back pocket or something like that, or you can hang it somewhere. Just a very basic pouch, the 7-inch utility pouch. It weighs 0.79 pounds empty, and it runs about $32.58. This one's a little, I probably wouldn't use this one very much, me personally, but somebody who's maybe in the data field, does data lines and stuff like that, might find this, because you have some testers and stuff that you can put in here. So this one might actually be good for somebody, just not myself. This is TB236-7, TB236-7, and it's a 7-inch utility pouch, and it's got 3 pockets in the middle, and then 4 pockets on the sides. And like, again, very basic pouch. All these are made with sturdy materials. Does have a tape measure clip on the front. This pouch here is the small electrician's pouch. This is TBCT-314 small electrician's pouch. It has 13 pockets and loops, and it does weigh about 1.35 pounds empty. I also have this magnet on here from holstery.com, and I put tools on the front, so kind of show you what I use for that. You can pretty much put any tool on there, and it holds it pretty stout. You can put any kind of, that's a really strong magnet. I'll try to link some stuff to the holstery stuff as well. So this one's got 13 pockets and loops. Just a very nice pouch. This is my go-to pouch at my work. I work as a pharmaceutical maintenance person, and so this is the one I use daily in and out. It does have the kickstand on the back, and does have the Clip-Tech clip, so you can put the clip on there and lock it in, and you can put that on your belt and then lock it in, take it off. What's nice about that is you can, you know, load it up full of tools, and then when you come sit down at your desk or something, you just take it off and set it up right on the desk, and it sits up right with the kickstands. Pretty cool. So, and then I know these aren't pouches, but I have these mesh bags. These are great for holding parts, and they do have a handle and then a zipper on top, very strong zipper with the tag here, and then they have the loop where you can clip it onto a pouch or something if you want to clip it onto one of the pouches. And these are you get a 3 set of these for about $16.26 on Amazon, and these are TOU-M-3 TOU-M-3. Really nice pouches. They come in a set of 3. You can see I keep some of my Clip-Tech clips in it. And then lastly, I wanted to put this on there because a lot of these pouches have the Clip-Tech system on here. So here, this is the Toughbuilt belt, TB-43A, and runs around $32 on Amazon. It does have a mesh padding, very nicely mesh padding, a nice clip that holds it together, so it doesn't come apart on you very easy at all, you know, while you're on the job site. And then you can put these clips in the middle of here and on the outside of the actual mesh. You could potentially take the outer belt off if you wanted to, but you just slide it in here, clip it down, and away you go. And then you put your belt, slide your tool pouch on there and lock it down. So again, it runs about $32 on Amazon. All these tool pouches are made with the, you know, Toughbuilt 6-layer construction, so these things are super strong. I've had these probably for, I don't know, 10 years or so. I've used these a ton, and they're still going strong. Some of these other ones are brand new. And my personal favorite, I think, is the Journeyman's Electrician's pouch. I just like the way it looks. It's got a nice build to it, like the other ones do as well. But if you're going to be like an all-around type person and not necessarily need refrigeration stuff in there, then this would be a good option for you. Now, if you're a HVAC guy or gal, I think this one, the service pouch, is a really great option for you. A bunch of loops. You can put a bunch of different stuff in here. I have these like little sockets. You can put those in there. Just a bunch of different loops and pockets so you can fit stuff in. Especially these gauges. That one, I was really surprised with that one. So you can put a bunch of different tools in there. I've got all kinds of stuff I would normally carry, and even have this DeWalt 8-volt driver, and it fits down in there great. I'm going to switch it out with this pouch that I'll be using for work. I'm going to switch to this one and try to carry my tools in this one for a while and see how I like it. And I'll do a follow-up video on that one after a while. So if you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate if you go down there and hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim and Toolman back at you.
I'll be back.